Okay. Now we go. You see my screen?
Yes,
My
Ajahn.
screen, you see?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, Ajahn.
Start. I don't know where is Mr. Sorry, the man. But don't worry. Okay, you can study. Okay. บทที่3
บทที่3
Okay, 3 Thai number. Okay, how to write down. Okay, I show you a few minutes. 1 2 3 1 2 3 where we go. What color? What we need? Black color. We need pink color. Okay, and bigger. Okay.
มนุษย์เขียนก็มองกันนะ
Okay. เลข3เลขมี number. Make the circle first. Go up, down, go up, down. Yeah. How to write the number? The number 3. Okay. 1, go up. Okay, like this. Okay. How to write down number 3. Okay. บทที่3 Chapter 1. Sorry. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 บทที่3 Okay. บทที่3 Okay. I show you after you try to pronounce to read. Okay. Okay. You see? Na. Na mi ru ngu. Na mi ru ngu. Na mi ru ngu. Na mi ru pu. Na mi ru pu. Na mi ru pu. Ma ni pa to ma ha a. Ma ni pa to ma ha a. Ma ni pa to ma na. Ma ni pa to ma na. Okay, Piya, you come. Okay, listen.
Okay.
Piya, I ask the question. What day you go back?
วันที่25จ้ะ
25 Oh.
25
Oh, 25 this month?
Yeah.
Oh.
25
25
นะ
Okay. Ma ni pa to ma na. Ma ni pa toหาปู Ma ni pa to หาปู Ma ni pa to ดูปู Ma ni pa to ดูปู Okay. I tell you the meaning in English, okay? Okay, you listen carefully, okay? I explain slowly, okay? Right field has the horn of snake. Ru mean the horn, okay? Horn for snake or the house for snake, okay? Horn, ngu is snake. Na mi ru pu. Right field has the horn for the crab. Pu, the crab, okay? Crab, okay? Ru mean horn. Ma ni pa to ma ha a. Mani the girl name, the name of girl. Pa mean take. Mani take. To the name of dog. You understand? To the name of dog. Pa to mean take. To come. Ma come. To see uncle is uncle หา it could be see or meet or looking for okay yeah over or more than 3 meaning okay หา sometimes mean looking for sometimes mean meet someone or meet something or see something ใช่หา okay มานีพาโตมานามานี take to come to the right field มานีพาโตหาปูมานี take to look for the crab ปู the crab หามี looking for or see the crab okay มานีพาโตดูปู do look at or see okay see or look at do okay easy Sanju can you read อ่านได้ไหม Sanju อ่านได้ไหม
Yes
okay
Yes
start
อ่านไหม
go slowly
มา
นา
sorry นามีรูนู
งู snake yes
snake นามีรูปู
good very good
มานีพาโตมาหา
หา yes yes
มานีพาโตมานา
good
มานีพาโตหาปู
good
มานีพาโตดูปู
ดูปูokay good very good yeah very good Pia can you อ่านได้ไหม Pia อ่านได้ไหม can you pronounce can you read อ่าน go slowly you read slowly okay
นามีรูนู
good
นามีรูปู
good
มานีพาโตมาตายา
มาหา
มาหามา
yes
มานีพาโตมานา
good
มานีพาโตหาปู
good
มานีพาโตดูปู
good very good okay I ask the question on of you two of you okay the question
Yes sir
ปู what's it mean ปู
crab
รู
hole
horn yeah โต
looking for
โต is the name of dog dog name งู snake good หา look at look for or look at okay do look at or see
look at
or see okay very good look at two of you read very well okay I show you after we move to next page okay นามีรูงูนามีรูปูมานีพาโตมาหาอามานีพาโตมานามานีพาโตหาปูมานีพาโตดูปู Okay, you remember tone. Tone in Thai we say เสียง Tone is important. If you say the right tone, people understand you. Okay? Tone เสียงสำคัญมากสำคัญ is important สำคัญ important. Okay? We move to next page. Okay. I explain the picture. You see the picture now? See?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I ask you the question. Who this? Money.
Money.
Yes. The dog. What is the dog? What we say in Thai? Dog.
หมา
หมา and two word in Thai หมา the dog. What?
Jump and come or dog.
Dog. And สุนัข
Sunak.
Sunak a Bali word. Sunaga.
Okay, sunak Bali word.
Sunak, yeah, Bali word. You can say
Oh.
sunak. Sunak is a polite word. Sunak, polite word. Many people say Ma.
Dog.
Yeah, ma is people. Many people say ma. Okay, ma. Okay, what this? Poo. You see? Poo, the crab. Yeah. And what this? You see?
หมู
Ngu, snake.
หมู
Snake. And you see the area, green area. Greenland, what we say? Na.
หนา
We say na. Right field, na. Okay. You see this picture? You see what we say in Thai this? What we say?
bus
Bus in Thai. In English we say bus. In Thai we say road bus. Road bus. Yeah, road is a Thai road. Thai word. Bus we copy the word. Okay, copy English word. We say road bus. Road bus is a passenger car. Okay, big and long. Yeah, we say road bus. Okay, here what this? You see this? What we say in Thai? What we say in Thai? บ้าน
บ้าน
the house money house the house. Okay, house or บ้าน Thai people say บ้าน Okay, good. And you see the picture this? What tree? What is the name of tree? This I know in English we say coconut tree. What we say in Thai?มะพร้าว You can say ต้นมะพร้าวต้น you call the tree you say ต้นมะพร้าว You can say มะพร้าว Okay, coconut tree
มะพร้าว
Yes, มะพร้าว coconut tree. Okay, good, very good. Okay, บ้านมะพร้าว Okay, มานี่รถบัสหมางูปูนา Okay. It's easy. Okay, go move. We have many words. Okay. What we say this word? What we say? แบบฝึก แบบฝึก mean exercise. แบบฝึก mean exercise or practice. Okay. ให้อ่านว่า mean you need to read that. โต sorry.
อาจารย์ให้อ่านว่า
ให้อ่านว่าให้ usually mean give. ให้ mean give. You give something to someone. Give. But meaning here ให้ mean you must read that you must read like this you must you know must you have to you must okay you must read like this or you have to read like this when you read you say to o to to o to to is a consonant o is a vowel to put together you put consonant and vowel together we say to to o to to o to to o to to o to yeah okay to o to to is a meaning here the name of dog name is a ชื่อ Thai people say ชื่อ mean name ชื่อของหมาโตชื่อของหมา the name of dog but another meaning we have another meaning not meaning here in another meaning to mean grow up you know grow up example I grew up in Nakhon Phanom province you grew up in India you grow up you know grow up G R O W up grow up yeah grow up เขียน say เขียน your son name เขียน grew up in Thailand right
yes
yeah grew up yeah we say to mean grow up okay to okay next to you read after me repeat to
to
po no po mo o ho yes only one word have meaning only to will have meaning the name of dog and it could be grow up okay only one word have meaning has meaning but other word no meaning but we practice reading only okay who want to read first who
okay me
okay you
to
yeah
po
yeah
no
good
po
good
mo
good
o
good
ho
ho yeah we say ho yes Pia can you read this okay show ho ho is a tone very important okay you be careful about the tone okay only first word only one word they had is had the meaning okay other word no meaning okay I show you again ผมอ่านให้ฟังนะทุกคน everyone ทุกคนฟัง everyone listen okay โต po no po mo o ho okay very good next yeah easy I read after you repeat okay
okay
นา ตา ปา อา วา กา รา okay รา again I say again you repeat again นา ตา ปา อา วา กา รา okay who want to show
me okay
yeah
na
yeah
tá,
Yeah,
pá,
yeah,
á,
yeah.
bá,
Mm,
tá,
mm.
ra,
Ra.
ra,
Last word. Ra. Okay. Pia, read.
ra, ná,
Good.
lá, pá, á, wá, má, ra.
Good. Okay. I read. I show last time. Okay. After I explain the meaning. Okay. Some word they have meaning. Some word no meaning. We practice reading. Okay. I check something. I check something. Kian, just stay there. Your son stay there. Huh?
Yes, yes,
He study with you.
yes, Ajahn.
If he study, is good for him. Oh, very good, very good.
Yes.
Because he
Students
can.
I didn't do because
Huh?
students I didn't do because I was
Huh?
like little of I came late.
Oh, how old are you now?
10.
10?
Yes.
Oh, 10. I have your picture, many picture in my room. Okay, when you were young. Okay, I have your picture when you were a little boy. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Explain the meaning. Na, you know na? Right field. Right field.
Rice field.
Yeah, right field. Ta. Ta two meaning. Who can tell me what?
Don't name or grow up.
Yeah, ta. I. Ta. I. Or grandfather. Grandfather. Okay.
Grandfather.
Grandfather. Yeah, it could mean grandfather. It could mean I. It's a part of body. Okay. Ta. Next. Pa. Pa. Pa mean throw away. You throw away the stone. Okay. You throw away the trash. You throw away the garbage. Yeah, throw away. You throw away the water. Okay. Pa, throw away. Pa. Okay. You know What's it mean
Uncle.
Uncle. Yeah. Uncle Yeah. In Thailand, is it could be man or woman. Okay. It could be man or woman. Okay. Uncle or aunt. Okay. Next. Wa. Wa.
Wow.
Wa.
Wow.
Wa is a measure. Wa is a measure about 2 meter. You know measure? You know measurement?
Measurement.
Yeah, measurement in Thai culture. Before no tape. No tape. We use the body to measure how long, how big. About one wa, about 2 meter. Okay, 2 meter. We say wa is a measurement. Okay, understand measurement?
Yes, Ajahn.
Measurement in Thailand, before we don't have tool or equipment to measure something, how big, how long, how wide. Okay, we use wa is a use past the body. Yeah, as a body about 2 meter. Okay, we say wa is a measurement. Okay, wa. Okay, next ka. What does it mean ka? Remember two meaning.
Crow.
Crow, the
Crow.
crow,
A kitten.
and
Crow and kitten.
kitten. Yeah,
Kitten.
kitten for water. Okay, ka. Okay, next ra. What's it mean ra? You know ra. Sometimes you see ra on your bread. You know bread for breakfast. What do you say?
Breakfast.
Western people, they like to eat bread. Some bread in the morning. Some bread is
Obviously.
not good because they have some brown color black color on the bread they cannot eat we say ra is you know what we say of fungus what we say fungus
fungus
fungus we say fungus f u n g u s we say fungus you know fungus huh
yes Ajahn fungus
fungus you see fungus on some bread you cannot eat because the update over
Ajahn
yeah it's not good for your body don't eat okay
yes
fungus ra fungus ra okay who want to read show me or do you one line
นา
okay
ตา ปา อา วา กา รา
ra we say ra not la ra
รา
yes ra okay piya you read piya อ่าน
นาตา ปา อา วา กา รา
okay ra fungus fungus the crow kitchen measurement uncle throw away eye grandfather right fear okay good na ta pa a wa ga ra okay tone important I told you many times tone is very important next slide move to next slide okay what is easy D ดีมากvery good D good D good ตี what does it mean ตี hit or punish yeah ไม่ตีเคียนไม่ตี okay because he is a boy too young to understand ไม่ตี not hit him okay ตี okay next me is hat okay next P you know year what year in Thai now what year in Thai international year western year 2025 2025 what Thai year
I don't know
what Thai year 2568 Thai people say 2568 okay it's a Buddhist era or Buddhist year okay P okay P next we you say we you know we you know fan not electric fan but hand fan when you go out you don't have electric fan but you have hand fan you understand what I talk about fan
yes
okay you see like this fan hand fan okay you go outside you are very hot you don't have electric fan you have hand fan you say we hand fan we like this hand fan okay hand fan in China many people use hand fan okay we next what is re is a Thai word no meaning we have only English re mean again yeah re mean again yeah re ใครอ่าน who read okay อ่านนี่ดี
มี
ปี
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 วี
วี
รี
รีโอเครีโอเคปิยะ
ดีดีมีดีมีดี
โอเครีปิยะ you go home you don't stop learning Thai okay
Now I learn yes Sajjang. I learn
yeah
Sri Lanka go I learn
yeah because if you stop you forget ลืม yeah you ลืม
I it's very important
yeah when you come back you can speak okay
yeah
okay last line for today last sentence okay you say do
One Raja Singh 1 month ago
huh
One Raja Singh 1 month ago to me
oh with you
1 month
very good you you send
I
picture
cannot
you send picture to me
yeah okay
someday I go someday I take my student to Sri Lanka someday
Can okay
yeah I see you there
You are
someday
going to Sri Lanka?
huh
Yeah I go Sri Lanka yeah
Oh, your home?
yeah my home yeah
Oh, wow.
Sri Lankan mang
Sri Lanka
okay
Sri Lanka
keep
ma.
going learning do
Yeah.
do
Do.
do look at you see you look at okay ru the horn ru mean the horn of crab the horn of rat the horn of mouse yeah ru the horn ru next pu crab next hu ear
Yeah.
your body parts of body หู งู งู งองู งู snake
No.
งู snake okay
Okay.
ใครอ่านwho read
No.
good
No.
good yeah
No.
งูโอเคปิยะอ่าน
do ru pu mu
okay very good tomorrow we continue next line after after 10 minutes I upload our learning today our class to YouTube and I put in line and you can follow you can repeat again okay it's good for you every day we record the sound what you speak what I speak what we talk to each other we know and you can listen later okay see you
Okay.
thank you
Thank you, Ajahn. Thank you.
yeah see you tomorrow
See you tomorrow.
okay